In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively combine shapes on your artboard to form complex elements using Boolean operations. Whether you're a graphic designer or someone exploring digital art, mastering this technique can help elevate your designs. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by creating at least 2 shape objects on your artboard. This could be anything from simple rectangles and circles to more intricate polygons. You have complete artistic freedom here, and choosing the right shapes can set the foundation for some unique designs. Once your shapes are on the artboard, the next step is to select all the shapes you're considering for this operation. You can simply click and drag to encompass them, or hold down your Shift key and click each one individually. Pairing multiple shapes can introduce limitless possibilities, so consider choosing pairs that contrast or complement each other. With your shapes selected, cast your gaze to the right side of your workspace where you'll find the Property Inspector. This is your control center for shape operations. Here, you will notice an array of icons representing Boolean options: add, subtract, intersect, and exclude. Each of these serves a specific purpose in combining shapes. Deciding which operation to apply depends on your desired outcome. For instance, clicking subtract will allow one shape to carve out a portion of another, creating interesting visual effects. Experimenting with each option can give you a better sense of the results they produce. Once you click on the icon that corresponds to your chosen operation, the shapes you selected will transform into what is known as a Boolean group. This group is unique because, on the Layers panel, it behaves like a group but has special compound shape properties. But what if you want to refine the individual shapes within this group? No worries. You can easily do this by double-clicking on the Boolean group. This will take you into its edit context, akin to stepping inside the group. Here, you have the freedom to adjust, move, or resize each shape to better fit your creative vision. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, you can effortlessly exit the edit context by clicking outside the group area. This will return you to your standard workspace view, where you can continue working on your project. So there you have it, a straightforward yet dynamic way to combine shapes using Boolean operations. Whether you're crafting logos, illustrations, or any form of vector art, this technique can enhance complexity and depth in your designs. Practice with different shapes and watch your creativity unfold. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!